Unboxing! Quick unboxing! What did you get, baby?
So I want to get protections for the Apple Watch.
Oh. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Wow. Show us how to put it on.
So the price, $19.95.
$19.95. Let's see. Wow. Because we swim a lot, so we're kind of like thinking of something like this to protect the watch, because what happens now is it's getting scratched. The monitored part of it, the screen, it's getting scratched. So now we kind of like wanted to have something like this. We have, oh, let me see it. Nice. Oh wow, it's rubber, so that's good.
So you just need to remove that.
Otterbox. So you take it off like that. Show them to the camera. Okay, and then
Here's that. So probably just
pop it in.
I don't know.
I think it's in the front.
This one, hold on.
Yeah.
So like that.
Oh, there you go.
No, I don't know.
There you go. Ta-da! So now it's more protected and it's not going to be scratched too much. We have the single loop band, so it would be like a bracelet type of thing. There we go. Ta-da! Show us. It's not bulky, baby, for you? It's good, right? Nice arms.
Because you don't have.
Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo&Seb. Hopefully you like this quick unboxing to protect your Apple Watches. This is the thing that you should buy, the Apple Watch from Otterbox. It is the guard and edge protection so that it will not easily scratch your Apple Watches. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys. We will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. We love you all. Bye.